What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have come to the right place. Today, we're going to unbox our July Nomadik box. So, yeah, let's just dive right in. Again, they're mixing it up. Some of them they're throwing in a bag, some they're throwing in a box. So, let's just get right here and see if we can get this little pull tab so we don't have to pull out a knife. And there we go. So let us see. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff in this one. So let's get our pamphlet here. The theme on this one is Hike Harder. So this is, like I said, our July box. And looks like we have 5 different items in this box. So a little bit about Nomadics. It is a subscription box that you can subscribe to. You can do 1, 6, 12 months in increments, and if the longer you get, the cheaper it drops down per box. Now, you get one month, and it's about $32.95. If you go all the way up to 12 months, it drops the price down to right around $29.99 per box. So you save a little bit of money going long term. Couple cool things about Nomadik. If you've never seen any of my videos or any other videos and you don't know anything about Nomadik, couple cool things about Nomadik is they have an Iron-Clad Guarantee. What that means is if I go to pulling stuff out of this package and something is broke, damaged, it doesn't work, or I already have one, all I've got to do is shoot them an email and they will send me a replacement item at no additional cost. The other cool thing about it is I'm going out of town the day it's supposed to arrive or the week it's supposed to arrive. I cancel that month and it picks back up the following month, and I don't lose a month. I just don't get something that's going to sit in my mailbox or something like that for a period of time while I'm on vacation. So a couple cool things about Nomadik, and I really enjoy it. I did pay for a 6-month subscription last year, and after that Nomadik started sending me some boxes to unbox for you a little earlier than the release date, so you can just kind of get an idea of what is included in these boxes. That was a lot of information, so let's just dive in because we've got 4 or 5 things in this bag that we've got to look at and see if this bag's worth the $32. Let's just reach in and grab something. So, well, all right. So we have a 2-liter bladder, water bladder. Pretty cool. I don't like these when I'm going just normal like weekend hike or long hike, but if I'm doing like a day hike, then this is cool. I've used them. I don't have one currently. Don't remember what happened to the one that I had, but this is a 2-liter. Let's open it all the way up. So this is Trail Flow 2-liter. It's got markings for half, 1, 1.5, and 2-liter fill lines. Got it already comes with a backpack clip for your hose, and looks like it's all sealed up, but it's got a nice bite valve in there. So really cool. I don't know what this retails for, but like I try to do in all of these unboxings is I try to look up the retail price and put it in the description. Same thing, I'll try to do that with this. All right, so next, let's see. Liquid IV Energy Multiplier. So a drink mix. Those are always good to have, and I don't think I've ever tasted a bad one. And it's hot out here today. I'm gonna need some of that. All right, so Green Goo Skin Repair Salve. Now we had something similar to this. In another box, and I can tell you it worked really, really well. I can't remember which box it was. I'll figure it out and I'll put a card up top. I have used that product. It looked just like this. It's from the same company, and I have used it, and it worked amazing. So let's see, we have another Liquid IV drink mix, and of course our sticker. And what is this? Worn Work Standard Enhanced Work Series 1-year absolute warranty on some socks. So these are all day dry wicking wicking socks designed for long days and any climate. So yeah, we'll have to check these out and try them, but they look pretty good, and let's see how they feel. Oh yeah, These feel good, feel thick enough to wear with boots, but not too thick that you wouldn't want to wear year round. And it says all climates, so we'll have to check these out. That's not my chickens. We have company from a turkey or two. All right, so that's all I've got for today, guys. There will be a link in the description below for, now my dog's going after the turkey. There will be a link in the description below for there'll be a link in the description below for Nomadik, so you can get over and check it out. Disclaimer, I am an affiliate for Nomadik, so if you click on that link and make a subscription, you will in turn help this channel out by sending me a little bit of a commission. So keep that in mind and make your decision. Thank you in advance if you do help. But until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.